Hello guys, are you wondering why your MacBook won't shut down? Or you're looking for a way to turn off your Mac when it is refusing to do so? Well, here in this video we have put together several ways to fix the Mac won't shut down issue. So, let's check it out. Normally, it should be easy to turn off a Mac computer. Just click on the Apple menu, select Shutdown, and confirm it. But what if you press the shutdown button and nothing happens? First, we should give our Mac a little more time. Sometimes shutting down can take a long time because macOS tries to sort through the open files and close all the programs. This is especially true if you have a lot of programs and documents opened. But if your MacBook still won't close after like 5 minutes, then you need to check and close all the apps before shutting down. Sometimes a frozen app or unsaved file can prevent the Mac from shutting down, so it's recommended to close all the apps before this. To do so, check the dock for bouncing app alerts. If you need to save a file, choose Save from the alert window for each document. And if you need to force quit apps that are not responding, then go to the Apple's menu, choose Force Stop. Hopefully this will help you to shut down your Mac. However, if you still have problems with it, then check and unplug any peripherals, as they may cause the shutdown issues. Safely remove any external drive by right-clicking on them and choosing Eject, and then try to shut down your Mac once again. Now, if all else fails or your Mac is frozen, then the only thing left to do is to force restart your Mac. Now, this should be the last resort as there is a risk of data loss or other failures. If you have a power button, press and hold Ctrl plus Command keys, and then press and hold the power button until your Mac turns off. If your Mac doesn't have a power button, then you will need to hold Ctrl and Command plus the eject button or the Touch ID button instead. Okay, so now you must be able to shut down your Mac. If you really enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button as well as subscribe to our channel, as we'll bring more useful tutorial like this one. Until then, see you next time. Bye.